welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a pack with me for my work trip to Chicago. Alright, so I'm trying to narrow down what I'm packing, and so I have a few outfits planned out. So I have some backup camis because I can mix and match like a lot of the skirts and sweaters that I'm bringing. My black t-shirt dress right now currently paired with like this white sweater, brown belt to match my boots, and then white mini, black lace, this tan sweater. This is like a pullover, batwing style sweater, black skirt, and then I have my trench coat, which I'm leaning on bringing. I feel like I might need something warmer though, so I'm not fully decided. And then I think I'm going to bring my Saint Laurent phone holder because I think it'll go well with everything, and then it's small enough so that like I can take it with on the go, and it's really like, you know, with the crop it's nice enough to go out, but I can also use it for every day, so I think it's just really versatile. So I think these are the for sure items that I'm packed. Over here we have this, it's like another batwing surplus dress that I'm going to bring for going out, a long sleeve dress, and then I have my vest into like Ralph Lauren, like Lauren, I think, no, the Polo Ralph Lauren shirts to wear underneath for more like casual looks. I'm also bringing my leggings just because it is going to be in the 50s. So I have a casual that I can like mix and match again with. These are for the conference specifically. So I have this black dress that I wear to residency that y'all have seen me pack before. This is like a wrap black dress. And then I have this like satin button up. I don't know what I would wear with those. So I don't know if I'm packing that for sure. But these are the current outfits that I'm leaning towards. And again, I think I can mix and match with them. So I think this is what I'm going to pack. All right, so now that we have the clothes, I'm getting some coffee. Now that we have the clothes and shoes figured out, I'm going to be organizing the toiletries. So because I'm there a week, I am going to use my niece mini for like skincare, toothbrush, toothpaste, stuff like that. My Chanel classic holder for makeup. And then my nano is for like jewelry. I have my prescription in here, just like random miscellaneous items. This is more like a catch-all. And I love taking this with because I also, like with what I keep in here, I always put this like next to my nightstand. So that way I have my prescription in the morning. I can quickly take it. And then I have like all my jewelry and stuff there too. Sometimes like when I'm on my trip, I don't use my AirPods for the most part. So I'll put them like in here as well to store them, or any spare SLGs, kind of like I do without, or like I do at home. So this is pretty much good since I have all the jewelry in here and my prescription. And then I just need to organize this. So for my last trip for New Orleans, this is still pretty much set up the same way. I only used one, but now that, since that was a weekend trip, I didn't need to bring too much, and I ended up not wearing like any makeup the entire time because it was just so humid. But I know that's not gonna be the case in Chicago, especially since I'm going for work. So we'll separate these two. Alright, so I have all my makeup in here and my brushes, and then I moved, to fit the brushes in there, I had to move a few things in here, like the tinted moisturizer and the primer, which is fine because there's plenty of room in here. So now I have all this in here. This is good to go, and then all I'll need to do the day before the trip is fill this up with all of my chargers, and then I'll probably use this as a bag now thinking about it. That's why I like bringing it. It makes like a great bag, and you can of course use it as SLG, which is its purpose. But I'm going to put all, like, I keep all my chargers in here, including my laptop charger and everything. So that's what'll go in there, and then everything is packed. So let's put this in my keep all. All right, you guys, so I finally admitted defeat, and I will be checking a bag. So it's a direct flight. My husband is actually going to bring home some AirPods, or not AirPods, AirTags for me. So I got a pack of 4, so I'm going to put one in every single bag, just for fun. So I'm only going to check this large one that has my clothes and my shoes. That's the heaviest one. As y'all saw, I tried putting everything in my keep all, but I know I'm also going to be buying things while I'm there. So I want to be like mindful of that, especially since I'm like traveling on my own. So I decided to also bring my second carry-on. So this one has my jackets and all of my toiletries, as well as my laptop. So everything, which is why I bought this one, because I love it. So right now I have my work laptop in here, but I'm also going to bring my personal. I didn't want to carry both around. This is the main reason why I bought this one. And so I just decided, check a bag, make it easy on yourself. I'm flying Southwest anyway, so it's free, so might as well. So I'll check this one, I'll have this one, and then my keep all, my backpack will go in my keep all, and then I'll have like another jacket that I'll take on and off while I'm there. I'm just going to figure out the jacket situation while I'm there, because I feel like it's really, like, Chicago is known for being windy and like colder typically, especially since it's right by the water. So I'm expecting it to be a different type of 50 degrees than what we get here in Texas. Like right now it's around in the mornings, like the 60 range, and it feels warm, but I just think it's because of like the humidity that we have right now and the weather. So I don't know. I'll again figure it out, but I'm packed. I have enough to anticipate somewhat warmer, somewhat cooler weather, enough jackets, shoes, and everything that I need. And yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.